Hi guys, welcome back to Android Apps channel. Today we'll explore another application called Stone Storage. This application will help you in getting the physical storage for your needs. Say for example, you have a plan to move to abroad for 3 years and you want to vacate your house and place all your household items at some place. So you can either place all these items at your hometown. Otherwise, you need some physical storage space. So this application will actually provide you the physical storage space to store all your household items, and they'll be charging a rent for on a monthly basis. The charges will again be dependent on the quantity and the number of items and the size of the items. So they'll charge accordingly. Say you want to store all household items of all regular household items like fridge, TV, washing machine, and kitchen utensils. So for all this, they might be charging around 2000 to 2500 rupees. So in otherwise, if you had not vacated your house, the places like in Bangalore, you would have ended up paying around 15 to 20,000 rupees of rent. So this application actually helps you saving a lot of money, and it will actually provide you a physical storage space. So in another case, you are a businessman and you have bought a lot of stocks and you do not have space in your godown. So now I need some physical storage for for all of the stocks which I have bought. So in this case, I can again buy the storage space from Stonest application, and then I can store them there on monthly basis, on a rent of monthly basis. So and you might be worried that how my items will be collected and delivered to me. So this will be done. This there will be an extra charges for this. They'll be arranging the movers and packers. There will be an extra charges. They'll pick all your items safely, store it with hygiene, and they'll get you back all the items whenever they are needed for you. So let us explore this application. So if this application is not there in your mobile, you can go to Play Store and download it. So you can see on the top left, second application is my Stone Storage. I'll open that application. It goes to the login screen. It'll ask for email ID and password, which I have already entered. So I'm on the home page of this application. So you can see uh, it is asking, I need a physical storage. It is asking what is the quantity or the size of the luggage which you want to store. So if I want to store household items for a basic plan of 999 per month, I can select this. I can choose my uh, choose my items. So if I have one large cot, I can select one. If I have four chairs, I can select four. I have one washing machine. So in the same way, you need to select all your items, and for all your kitchen items and for all the all the smaller items like books, pens, kitchen utensils. For other things, you can buy this Stonest toe box or cartoon box. So these will be charged per 50 per month and 100 per month. So you can store all your items here, and you can click on next, so that it will tell you what is the amount which is needed here. So these are the extra things which I was speaking about. So we are actually buying the storage space, but those items should be carried from your home to that physical storage space. So for that, there will be a packaging service and a moving service, which I was telling movers and packers. So you can select the service if it is needed. Otherwise, you can only go and deliver all the items at that storage space. So I have selected movers and packers. This is one-time cost to take all the items from your house to the storage space. So next thing is you need to provide all your details: mobile number, address, the region, the delivery instruction, saying that what how the item should be handled, and delivery phone. So on providing all this, the Stonest officials will call you, and they'll guide you, and they'll tell you what are the charges. They'll tell you what are the charges for your items, and how they'll carry and take it to the storage space, how they are storing all the items, and then how it will be delivered to you. So this is how you can use this application. So if you again go to the home screen, you can see there is another option called luggage storage plan. In this, it's you can select this. You can, in the same way, you can again choose all those items which are needed to be stored in a storage location. So this is how you can use this application. And there are some exception. I mean, everything has an exception. So here there are exceptions, like you cannot store uh, explosive items. You cannot store if you come here, there are frequently asked question, what is Stonest, and the thing which I explained. This is a storage space, full storage service. They'll provide the space, they'll keep all your items, and get you back your items when they are needed. Then there is a question called what are the things I can store. So these are the exceptional items which cannot be stored here. Otherwise, everything else can be stored. Liquids including wine and alcohol, food and other perishable items, hazardous materials like explosive, illegal substance, firearms, ammunition. So all these things cannot be stored here. Otherwise, everything can be stored. And this I can assure you that this is a good service provider with a minimum amount. And this is only located right now, this is only located in Bangalore, and they are planning to expand it to other places. So this is all about this application. If you like this video, please leave the comment, please click on the like button, and please subscribe to my channel in order to encourage me to provide more videos, more helpful videos. Thank you.